Today I'm here to show you a beloved style from Jon Renau and one of the first styles I ever bought as a new wig wearer in 2018. This is Cameron from Jon Renau in the color Shaded Mocha. Cameron comes in many different versions, so we'll talk all about this style. I'll give you the lowdown on some of the other versions, and we will cover this color inside and outside. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook. I'm partnering with 𝘩𝘠 to bring you this review. They sent me Cameron so I could show you, and I'm really excited to be able to tell you about the world of Cameron and also talk a little bit about my experience with Cameron, because I can remember exactly how I felt about Cameron almost 7 years ago, because she was one of the first wigs I purchased and one of the most expensive wigs I had purchased up until that point. Before we talk about Cameron, 𝘩𝘠 is an online retailer, but they are also an in-person wig store. They have some locations in Canada and they have one coming soon to the US. And I'm really thrilled that 𝘩𝘠 offers what they do. They have great customer service. Amanda from 𝘩𝘠 puts out tons of videos, so you have an opportunity to see a lot of wigs on someone other than the manufacturer models, and that can be really helpful. At least it's super helpful to me. I will put a link in the description box below, as well as a coupon code that will save you 30% off this and all Jon Renau wigs. Let's take a look at Cameron from all sides. All right, so first of all, this Cameron is their fully hand-tied cap Cameron. It's their average cap. It's the original Cameron. I believe it's the original Cameron, similar to the one that I first purchased early in my journey. In addition, they have a petite Cameron with a fully hand-tied cap. They have a large cap Cameron with a fully hand-tied cap. So you can actually get this style in 3 sizes, which is nearly unheard of with the major name brands, and so amazing because, let's face it, we are not all the same size, and it can be really frustrating when you can't find a wig that will fit you well. There is also a Cameron Lite. So they have this light cap that has silicone ear tabs, and the cap construction is a little bit different. And we have Lite Petite. So there's a lot of options when it comes to this kind of bob style with a little bit of flippies, a little bit of layer, very soft layer in the very front. It's not necessarily an all one length bob. And so you have a lot of options when it comes to, like I said, the world of Cameron. Now, Cameron has a lace front, so let's take a look at that lace front right there. So good. They did a really great job with that. So natural looking. Nobody is going to know that you have a wig on with a lace front like that. And this is a fully hand-tied cap. So no wefting. It is super, super lightweight. So we've got, there's the lace. It's not really extended lace. It ends right at the front of the ear tab. It's still super natural, and I don't think there's any type of a transition, but it isn't technically extended lace. We have a full mono top, so you can part it anywhere you want on the top. Soft ear tabs with bendable stays, super soft ear tabs. We have got no extended nape back here, and Velcro adjusters, and then we've got hand-tied. So very light hand-tied all throughout. I just want to mention, because there's no wefting, it is super lightweight back here. You can kind of see my fingers through. It's going to have the appearance, almost the appearance of scalp in the back because there's no wefting. We do have some cluster knotting back here where they take clusters of the fibers and knot them together versus the monofilament, which is single knots, so those aren't cluster knotted. And so just a little bit of a difference in cap construction, but if you've worried about the wind blowing and somebody seeing the wefting in the back, you will not see any wefting on this hand-tied cap, which will really give many women peace of mind when wearing a hand-tied cap like this. So I have an average petite head size. My circumference is 21 1/4, and I'm very petite over the top of my head. I'm almost child size over the top of my head. So a lot of the time wigs are really big on me, and even adjusted, this does not feel super secure on my head. I'm getting some extra cap up here. There is room up here for somebody with a bigger head than I have. Compare your measurements to mine in the description box below and see if, you know, if you're a lot bigger than me. I would say you can be a fair amount bigger than me and this average cap will fit you. I personally would prefer the petite cap. I think if you are a lot bigger than me, you could consider trying the average large. Not average large, it's just large. Because again, Cameron comes in sizes, which is so awesome. And 𝘕𝘂𝘓 does have a really good return policy. So if you're really uncertain, you could make your best guess. And then if you need to exchange it for a different size, you can absolutely do that. So I definitely think this one is going to have a ton of fans because of the size options. Now, this is made with regular synthetic fibers, not heat friendly. So if you wanted to, for example, change the part line, because it does have that full mono top, so you can really part it anywhere on the top. So right now it's parted left going to the right, but you could part it right going to the left, in the center, however you would like. But in order to change that part line, you are going to need to take a little heat to it. Steam heat is what you would want to use. So just grab a clothing steamer. Any clothing steamer will do. Jon Renau has one, but you don't need that one. In addition, you can use a clothing steamer to get more lift in the front. This one isn't really that much of a face flopper. A little bit, but not terrible. Some of what it's doing right now will dissipate over time as you wear it and you're training it to go back. But if you wanted to have more lift, you could use a clothing steamer. I have a video showing how to change the part on a regular synthetic and get lift in the front with a clothing steamer. I can link that video in the description box below. Because Cameron has a fully hand-tied cap, she has no Permatease. So we are very flat to the head. Very flat to the head. And I would consider this to be a light to medium density. It isn't the lightest density, but I would not consider this to have a lot of hair. Let's talk about color. Shaded Mocha, 24BT18S8. Lots and lots of codes there. So what we have is kind of it's a mix between ashy and golden. So we have a medium natural ash blonde and some light golden blonde. And then we have a medium brown root, and because that root goes all the way throughout, it does make it seem like it has a bit of a brunette base. To me, this color looks like a golden light brown, really. More on the neutral side though. It's not a super warm color. It does have some golden in it, but it's not a super warm color. When we get outside, you will really see that. And it's really natural. No like heavy highlights at all. It's very natural. Now, because this is made with regular synthetic fibers, it is a little bit shiny, and it's going to look extra shiny right here because I have a lot of light on me. So the synthetic fibers are going to reflect that shine, especially with those golden blonde tones in it. It's not going to look as shiny outside, and shine dissipates over time. If you were to purchase this color either on Cameron or in another style, and you were to find it to be a little bit more shiny than you like, dry shampoo, cornstarch, baby powder, all of those things will help. I have a video showing how you can take baby powder to tamp down shine on a wig. And really all you need to do is dirty it up a little bit because it's just reflecting the light. So the more you can kind of tamp down that reflection, the less shiny it will be. It's just so common with regular synthetic fibers. It's not a problem with this wig at all. It's just kind of the way synthetic behaves with the light. She is great though, and I know she's a favorite. Cameron's been around a long time, and the fact that they have come out with so many different versions means that she is a favorite. So if you like bob styles, put Cameron on your list if you can do a fully hand-tied wig. Thanks for watching, you guys. Let's get outside, and don't forget about 𝘕𝘂𝘓. See you soon. Straight out of the box. Unfortunately, we have a lot of real direct sunlight on here, which is going to create a little bit of a glare on the color, but that's just what happens, right? Let me see if I can get into some shade real quick. All right, now we're in a little bit of shade. You can see it. It's always so challenging because even though outdoor light is helpful, not all outdoor light is created equal. There you go. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.